Hello, my little mathematicians. I'm going to help you get started on some of the problems involving solving equations by subtracting. Now, you'll notice that these all are addition equations, and you're like, so why does it say solve by subtracting? Because we're going to do the inverse operation to solve. And what's the inverse operation of addition? That's right, you guessed it, subtraction. So I'm going to start with 9, 10, and 13 and do them with you together. Okay, now if you think you got it, pause the video and then unpause it and come back to check. But remember, please show your work correctly. Okay, I know that a lot of these you guys can do in your head, but the main step is that we're trying to show the inverse step for when they get harder. Okay, draw a line down from your equal sign. This is where your variable is, and I want to get it by itself. So that means this plus 8 needs to go away. The inverse of plus 8 is minus 8. Because 8 minus 8 is 0. Now x is by itself. But whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other. And 12 minus 8 is 4. So I think x is 4. And if you were to check that, well, you have x plus 8 equals 12. And I'm going to substitute in what I think x is. I think x is 4. So 4 plus 8 equals 12. And 4 plus 8 is 12. Bring down your equals 12. That is a true statement. So then with certainty, you know that x equals 4 is the correct answer. Okay, for this one, when you draw a line down, here's where your variable is. It's on this side this time. So again, I want to get rid of this plus 8. So I'm going to subtract 8. And whatever you do to one side, you do to the other. And those go away. Bring down your equal sign and you have a z. I strongly recommend you draw a line through it because otherwise it'll look like a 2. Okay, and then 19 minus 8 is what? 11. Okay, and before we confidently write that in the answer column, let's double check. Okay, 19 equals 8 plus I think z is 11. And 11 plus 8 is 19 equals 19. Yep, true statement. So that is for sure the correct answer. Okay, let's try this one. And remember, feel free to pause the video and then unpause it after you've tried it yourself. Okay, it says Kenya bought 28 beads and Nancy bought 25 beads. So Kenya bought 28, Nancy bought 25. It takes 35 beads to make a necklace. Write and solve 2 addition equations to find out how many more beads they each need to make the necklace. So I have Kenya and Nancy. So regardless, they both need 35 beads total because that's how much it takes to make the necklace. So Kenya already has 28 plus however many more, and Nancy already has 25 plus however many more to equal the 35. All right, so those are my 2 equations. And then to get x by itself, I'm going to subtract 28 because those cancel. And now you just have x by itself. Whatever you do to one side, do to the other. And 35 minus 28 is 7. And this one, subtract 25. Whatever you do to one side, do to the other. 25 minus 25 is 0, so that's gone. Bring down your x equals 5 minus 5 is 0. 3 minus 2 is 1, so you get 10, which means Kenya needs 7 more, and Nancy needs 10 more. Okay, if you got all those correct, good job, my little mathematicians. And I'm going to go ahead and if you try the rest, I'm going to put the answers up so that you can check yourself. Okay, and those are the answers that you should have gotten for all the others. Congratulations, my little mathematicians. You have now mastered solving addition equations by using the inverse operation of subtraction.